Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Cohen. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 wrong answer traps on ACT reading. Even really great critical readers will miss ACT reading questions because there are some really tricky wrong answer choices on the test. So by learning these traps ahead of time, you'll be able to really strengthen your performance. And these traps recur over and over. Okay, trap 1. The answer choice will say X and Y. Okay, so it's going to give you 2 pieces of information. Now, the first part of information is correct. The second part is incorrect. So students miss these questions a lot because you read the first part of the answer choice and you say, oh, that's right. And then you choose the answer choice. But that second part of the answer choice is kind of lurking there, hiding, and it's wrong. Let me show you what this looks like. So let's read this. The volcano erupted because, choice A, this is the wrong answer choice. Pressure built up under the surface and the air was rich with carbon. Okay, well, pressure did build up under the surface, hypothetically, in this passage. So a lot of people pick A at this point, but the air was rich with carbon. Well, the air was not rich with carbon. That wasn't a reason the volcano erupted. So again, anytime you see 2 pieces of information in the answer choice and the first is right, don't be really suspicious that it's a trap answer choice and that the second part very well may be wrong. Trap number 2. In the answer choice, you'll see text copied word for word from the passage. So a lot of students see something in the answer choice they remember from the passage, and they say, oh, that's right, I remember that, that is in the passage, this is the right choice. That's what the test makers want you to do. That's why this is a great trick answer. But anytime you see something in a choice that was in the passage, be really suspicious. Sometimes it is the right choice. Often, though, it's the wrong choice, and they're just trying to trick you. Here's an example of this trap. So, what does Sweden fail to recycle? Choice A, oil. Okay. Oil was mentioned, again, hypothetically, in the passage. So a lot of people see oil and they pick it as right because they remember seeing it in the passage. However, in this instance, oil was mentioned in the passage as something Sweden actually recycles, not as something they fail to recycle. That's the kind of, trick you're going to see on the test. Okay, trap number 3, a sleeper phrase in a correct answer choice. They're going to give you a totally correct answer choice, except there'll be one little word or one little phrase hidden within that answer choice. That word or phrase, the sleeper phrase, makes the whole choice wrong. Okay, 2 examples. 1, question, what does the author want planes to do? Choice A, fly quickly to Greenland together. All right, so everything in this answer choice is correct. A lot of people are going to pick it, except one thing that's not correct, together. So the author in the passage, again hypothetically, does say he wants the planes to fly quickly to Greenland, but he never comes out and says they need to do it together. So this one little word kind of hiding in the answer choice makes the whole thing wrong. And so you really have to pay careful attention to catch it. Second example. The following is true of a company that takes part in the Recycle 360 initiative. Choice A, it reuses its own waste. Again, everything in this choice is true. Most people will pick it, except that the company is reusing the waste of others, not its own waste. So a really subtle distinction. It all comes down to this sleeper phrase, its. Is it the company's own waste, or is it somebody else's waste? Really easy to miss that type of thing. So if you're down to 2 choices that seem correct, it's very likely you're dealing with a sleeper phrase. And what you want to do is you want to go word for word in each answer choice and pause and say, okay, its waste. Does it reuse its own waste? Does it reuse waste or something? You can even underline each word. So you need to kind of focus your attention down to these really subtle distinctions. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like it.